Hi, I'm Sperry Hutchinson, and today I'm going to show you how to return your U-Haul truck with the same fuel level as indicated on the rental contract. When renting a U-Haul moving truck, pickup truck, or cargo van, you have two fuel options. You can pay for Easy Fuel service or opt to refuel the truck yourself. Your rental contract will indicate the truck's initial or dispatched fuel level. Verify the reading on the contract matches the gauge on the truck. If you choose to refuel the truck yourself, you will need to refill the gas tank to the dispatch level, 3/4 of a tank in this case. The fuel estimator on the contract will help you determine the estimated amount of fuel you need to return to the dispatch level. In this case, our truck is now down to 3/8 of a tank. The estimator on the contract indicates that we need 12.6 gallons to return to 3/4 of a tank. After adding 12.6 gallons, the gauge is now back to the dispatch fuel level and we can return our truck. For more information, visit uhaul.com or refer to the user's guide available at your U-Haul store.